Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to follow people on Roblox step by step. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Roblox app on your phone. And once you're on Roblox, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. And then type in the username of the person you wanted to follow. And now tap on the profile of the person you wanted to follow. On their profile page, you have to simply scroll down and you will see an option that says View Full Profile. Just tap on it. And now tap on the three dots next to the username. From these options, simply tap on Follow. And that's it. You are all set to follow anyone you want on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.